Now, if we are afraid of backflow scenario, as in the case of two lines merging with each other, then we shall use a check valve. There are also different types of check valves, and they are used depending on the criticality of the backflow. Sometimes, if the backflow can cause a catastrophe or a failure, we won't need one simple check valve that may fail on demand. In this case, we can also add another check valve so that we shall have two check valves, and these two check valves should have different types. So, as we see, P&ID is highly concerned with all the details needed. We rely on the P&ID not just to count material, but also to analyze the system and ensure that it is well protected. This shall even be further studied in HAZOP and cell sessions. But what about static equipment like vessels or towers? In most cases, these are maintained in place. So when they are out of service, an operator goes into the manhole, which means that the vessel is maintained in place. Here, adding a spectacle blind on the vessel's inlet and outlet lines can be considered. When we come to exchangers, this shall depend on the exchanger type. Shall we regularly need to remove the tube bundle for cleaning in the workshop, which is typically the case for fouling fluids, or the exchanger is already serving a clean fluid, so there is no need to remove the bundle, and in this case, most probably the type of the bundle is fixed in this case. So if we need to remove the tube bundle regularly for cleaning, it would be better to add a removable spool. The removable spool can be on both shell and tube sides, as this shall give enough space for the operators to remove the bundle. Now we can remove the spool, the exchanger channel, and pull the tube bundle outside for cleaning, and then we can reinsert it back after cleaning when the exchanger is back to service. If the bundle is fixed, then in this case we cannot clean the shell side. But still we can clean the tube side. We can do this by removing the channel cover and applying jet cleaning on each tube. So in this case, removable spool would still be better on the tube side, as we shall need to remove this channel. On the shell side, a spectacle blind would be enough. Still, if there is enough space that is guaranteed for the operator to work, a spectacle blind in this case would be enough. This also shall depend on the philosophy that is agreed upon between the designers and the operators.